All right, we're gonna do a little test and see how long the Jackery 1000 will power this ICECO VL60. We got the freezer set at 0. We got a couple gallons of water in here. Fridge is set at 36. We got it on eco mode. And then the Jackery 1000 is at 100%. So we are starting the timer now and we'll check back in. All right, here's an update. We're at 50% in 27 hours. So maintaining temp down here. Fridge moved up to 30, maybe it fluctuates a little bit. Okay, here's an update. We're at 48.5 hours and we have 6% left. It's cycling right now, so it's running at 32 watts, but it's been running at somewhere around 15 to 20 per hour on average. So we're going to run all the way down. 51 hours. Pretty impressive. We're down to 1%. Still maintaining temperature. Not bad at all.
SRAY is a directional speaker that enables you to focus audio to a precise location. Aren't there times when you want to loudly listen to music but not disturb the people around you? That is now possible. With SRAY, you can listen to music without having to wear headphones and without disturbing anyone else. Different from conventional speakers, SRAY uses ultrasound waves to generate sound. These high-frequency waves make it possible to send audio to a precise location. In contrast to other directional speakers, SRAY is small and easily portable. This way you can bring it with you wherever you go. And thanks to its low-power technology, a simple power bank is enough to provide you with hours of audio.
You have reached your destination.
In the car, SRAY enables you to use your navigation system and listen to the radio without disturbing the person next to you. If you want to listen to music together, you can simply switch to normal speaker mode at any time. SRAY's technology is not only useful when you're at the office or in the library, it is a complete game changer when it comes to advertisements in shops, cafes, or bus stops. From announcements in subway stations and public places, over background music at exhibitions, to guiding for the visually impaired. SRAY opens up countless new opportunities for improvement and innovation. So join us and make life smarter. SRAY.